Welcome back to Retrobytes. Ever wonder what's in those terminals running the monitors at your favorite fast food chain? Well, I just recently got my hands on a few. I got one POS terminal in the background, touchscreen, and these other two terminals that presumably showed active tickets on a monitor. These smaller ones are interesting to me because they look like good candidates for retro gaming, possibly emulation. Let's have a peek under the hood. It looks like this might be an ITX form factor chassis, complete with a power supply. Pretty cool. Very compact. Very dirty. Dirty, especially for something that doesn't have any active cooling. Okay, so VIA chipset. Very good chance that the CPU is VIA as well. Let's see a PCI slot. SATA ports, one stick of RAM, and an IDE disk on module. Let's see if I can get this disk out. Here we go. This is an A-Pacer module, 4 gigabytes. All right, I'll take it. The RAM module is... Wait, look at this. Okay. Somebody hot glued the RAM in place. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna fly away. Anyway, let's see. I see strontium. 2 gigabytes, 800 megahertz, DDR2 probably, right? Around back, AC in, PS2 ports, VGA, DVI, 2 serial, parallel 2 USB Ethernet audio jacks, as well as an XP embedded key. All right. Yeah, the more I look at this, the more I'm sure this is ITX form factor. Getting ideas, expensive ideas. Just get her plugged in here, boot it up, and let's see what we can learn from the BIOS. You see that? Frequency and voltage control. That means overclocking. So this CPU is 1 gigahertz, so presumably has a 10x multiplier. So if I select 266 here, would that be 2.6 gigahertz? I'm curious. The rest of this is blah BIOS. Okay, let's boot and see what's on the disk. Oh, we get our choice of DOS or Windows XP. Let's start with DOS. Sure. Yeah, okay. Serious internal error. We've angered the DOS gods. Let's try Windows XP. So in my last job, I was a systems engineer, specialized in Windows IoT devices, so I'm no stranger to Windows XP embedded. My guess is that when this boots up, we're not going to see the Windows Explorer shell. Yeah, it's loading some other shell. Let's kill it. Now we can run Windows Explorer by opening the Task Manager, File, New Task, and then typing in Explorer. So this will either open the full Windows Explorer experience or just open the browser, file browser. Yeah, it's just the file browser. That's okay. Let's see. Good enough for perusing. We could also open the control panel by doing the same thing and typing control. There you go. 1 gigahertz VIA Eden processor and 2 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, the more I mess with this, the more I want to build it into a RetroPie station. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this look at the McTerminal PC. In the comments, let me know what you'd like to see happen to this. Should I try emulation with the VIA Eden, which is probably going to be terrible. Should I try dropping in a new ITX system board? Kind of a modern build in this old cruddy case. Anyway, in the next video, I'll tear into the POS terminal and uncover whatever treasures it may hold. I'll see you then. Take care.